Hello again, geometry. Just had reviewed the updates and saw there's another request to take a look at 10.7, number 8. So we will run through that problem quick. And this will also help with this will also help with worksheet 10.8, which we start looking at probability and looking at finding areas of shaded regions. All right, so it says find the area of the shaded region, show your work, leave your answer in terms of pi. So we'll talk about what that means as well. So first, the process of finding the area of just the shaded region. So the area of this complete square, so if I look at this square, it's a 2 by 2 square, would be a total of 4 feet squared. But I'm cutting out this circle in between. So it's like if you had a piece of paper and you traced a circle and then you cut out that circle and you're just left with these extra shavings around the outside. What are the area of that extra shavings that are left after you cut that circle out? Well, that same idea is we're going to take the area of the full square, and then since we cut out that circle, we're going to subtract the area of that circle. So our process to find the area, I'm going to call it the area of the shaded, which is just, I'm going to call it SH, is going to equal the area of the square minus the area of the circle. So we're going to have to find out what the area of that square is. Once we know the area of that square, then we can subtract out what the area of that circle is, and that's going to leave us with the area. That's that shaded part. So area square minus the area of the circle. So area of the square is going to be 2 by 2. So I don't need to really show a ton of work there, but the area of the square is going to equal 2 times 2, which is going to be 4 feet squared. I'm just going to slide this over. So that's because it's 2 feet on a side. Next, we need to find the area of the circle. So the area of the circle is going to equal pi times the radius squared. So pi. Now we look at the radius. Well, the radius is from the center to the outside. So you got to do a little bit of thinking here. The full length of that square side is 2. The radius would just be half of that. So this is a radius of 1 foot. So that's going to be pi times 1 squared. In any circle that has a radius of 1, 1 squared is just 1. 1 times pi is just going to be pi. So the area of the circle is just going to equal pi. Now representing the full area of the shaded, that's going to equal the area of your square, which is 4, minus the area of your circle, which is pi. Now pi is an irrational number. 4 is a rational number. We cannot add or subtract those. So that is as much as I can simplify. Write my units. We're talking about area. So that's going to be 4 minus pi feet squared. And that would be our final answer. So you can't go any further than that. But that would be then your final area. So thanks for the request. We'll get the video uploaded. Hope to see you soon.